Hi. Mr. Monte here. This is to you, old Fuzzface, and to you too, Miss Blondie. You know I've been sick. You know that my nerves have been on edge with all the building going on around us. You know that, even under the best of conditions, I can barely tolerate going on trips in our Class C motorhome. You know all that, and you still think that you're going to take me out on that infernal RV. So, I've been watching you uncover the RV. I've been watching you make plans for several trips. I've been watching you, and I'm not very happy with you. Not very happy at all. You better be prepared for a fight, because I'm not going. I watched Fuzzy and Blondie as they made RV reservations for April, May, and June. I was not happy. That's because, at that time, I didn't have a clear strategy for thwarting my humans' RV plans. It was during that time of great anxiety and stress that good fortune smiled on me. Fuzzy and Blondie had to cancel all 3 of their trips. I was going to have a peaceful summer. I was a happy Maine Coon cat. But then Fuzzy and Blondie did the unforgivable. They broke their own rule. They scheduled an RV trip for the hottest days in August. I had to do something, and I had to do it fast. Sabotage was my only hope. So, when Fuzzy and Blondie were sleeping, I disabled the RV air conditioner. Unfortunately, Fuzzy realized there was a malfunction. He was able to get it fixed. Blast it! They were still going to take me out on that August RV trip with them. But they had made their big mistake. Little did they know, I had set a trap for them. They were going to experience my wrath and my ultimate revenge. August 28th arrived. It was hot. It was a Virginia summer day at its worst. I was almost incapacitated by the heat. I could barely breathe. But it was worth it, because I knew in just a few minutes, Fuzzy and Blondie's dream of a happy trip would be shattered. I laughed. I knew it was coming, and I laughed. I laughed, filled with the joy of revenge. I laughed when Fuzzy told Blondie there was no hot water. I laughed because I knew Fuzzy and Blondie would be taking cold showers. Days later, Fuzzy tried to have the water heater repaired. The RV center said they fixed it by replacing a module. So, he scheduled a trip for October at the peak of autumn leaves. Oh, Fuzzy, you were so naive. A few days before the trip, Fuzzy checked the hot water system. It didn't work. It was too late to get it repaired for his trip, and he had to cancel.
Okay, this is where the hot water heater is. And it's something strange about this. This is the second time that it's failed this year. And I've had to cancel another trip. I gotta check this out. Well, everything looks like it's where it's supposed to be, but there's the new unit that was put in. All the wires seem to be hooked up, but something's odd. It just doesn't seem right. We're going to have to check into it.
Fuzzy, you can check into it all you want, but you're just not as smart as a Maine Coon cat seeking revenge. You didn't even see my paw prints, which I left behind on purpose. I told you I wouldn't go without a fight, but you didn't listen. So now your RV season has been ruined, and I have had my revenge. Now you know my wrath. Have a happy Halloween, and beware the wrath of Mr. Monty.